Hey guys, checking in for my final review of the 5-day nutritive cleanse. So hopefully you followed me through day 1 to day 5. It was so amazing to get up and eat some scrambled eggs with some pico de gallo in there and some strawberries and just eat some real food this morning and break the fast breakfast, right? So if you watch number 5, you know that I didn't have enough shake. I must have over scooped or been too generous with my scoops during the cleanse. So I didn't have a shake for dinner. I didn't have enough left. So I didn't know what to do. Now all day I really wanted to, I had made some turkey taco soup, which is one of Weight Watchers recipes that I really like. It's low in points, and I use organic turkey and organic tomatoes and make it really yummy. But I really wanted to eat that, so I made some for the weekend as well. And I was like, oh, I just want to eat. But I kept thinking about the fact that if I had enough shake and I did the shake for dinner, then I would go to bed and I would still have that whole night of like kind of cleansing, healing that my body could do. And so I really wanted that extra, last day. And so I decided that I would just drink my Ningxia Red and try and have some of the healthy snacks that are allowed and see if I could make it through. So that's what I did. And I'm really proud of myself that I did that, because I could have definitely just started eating again. And I ended up having another rice cake with peanut butter with amount of almond butter. I had strawberries. I had plain yogurt. Yeah, I think that's all I had. Oh, and I drank the rest of my Ningxia Red. So I had like a wine glass size of Ningxia Red, which was really nice to just like finish off the Ningxia Red that way. So I made it through. I was hungry when I went to bed, but I was just like, if I can just fall asleep, I can make it through. So I did, and really proud of myself that I was able to do that, especially with not having the last shake. I really, if I do this again, I will measure more carefully, and I might even just order an extra container of Balance Complete. Just because I do like to use it sometimes for meal replacement or fast breakfasts or things like that, but just in case, not to have that running out. I did talk with a bunch of the other ladies in the group who were doing the cleanse with me, and they none of them ran out. Actually, some of them had extra. So I don't know how that worked. It says it's about a 15-day supply, and you have 3 for 5 days. So it should be the whole jar. But anyway, no one else had the problem I did. So hopefully you don't if you're doing this cleanse. Okay, on to weight loss. So one lady today posted that she lost 8 pounds. Like, I'm just amazed at most people in the group lost 5 to 8 pounds, which is so amazing. I lost a pound, 1 pound. So, I mean, still super thrilled with that, but I really think because I've been doing Weight Watchers for a while, and I've been eating fairly healthy, and I've been on a weight loss journey, that my body just didn't have that huge, you've changed your eating style, now you're gonna lose this chunk of weight. So I didn't have that, but I still lost. And I'm curious, if you're following my Weight Watchers journey, I weigh in on Mondays, and I'll post a new video just to see, now that I'll be eating over the weekend, if I still have a loss or if I end up gaining back or what happens. But so yeah, so a pound lost, but like I said, there was a good group of us, and most of the ladies lost around 5. One lady said 7, one lady said 8. So, I mean, weight loss is not, I've said this a couple times, not the point of this cleanse, but, if you are wanting to do it to like jumpstart your weight loss, there's definitely potential for that to happen. And so just in our group, we're just all trying to make healthy choices moving forward. One lady did say, which I thought was really cool, she was having some carpal tunnel, and she said doing this cleanse that those symptoms went away, which made her think, okay, maybe it's the sugar I was eating, or maybe, start to kind of question some of the diet choices that she was making. So that can happen during a cleanse too, where you can see maybe your digestion is working better, things where you can start to wonder, some of the common food allergens that can cause inflammation and issues in our body. Usually during a cleanse, you take those out. So it's kind of cool to see. It's only 5 days, so you probably need to give your body a little more time, but maybe starting to slowly reintroduce those common things like, eggs, dairy, gluten, not peanuts, but sometimes those are allergens for people, but also just like food coloring, additives, preservatives, those kind of things can really affect people differently. And when you're eating them all the time, you don't know, you're having these maybe symptoms in your life or pain or different things, and you just think it's just there, but it might be diet related. So sometimes a cleanse is a great way to eliminate those foods for a short period of time, and then maybe introduce them one at a time slowly after in the weeks to come to see how your body reacts. So anyway, feeling good. Feeling, I don't know, just proud of myself that I was able to do this. I know my body had some detoxing because I experienced detox symptoms. So just hopeful that now getting back into my Weight Watchers and, the way that I'm eating, trying to eat healthier and incorporate more fresh and raw foods, organic foods, that it will just be continuing on this journey. So thank you for watching. I hope you try the 5-day cleanse. I am going to put a link in the description on how you can order. So Young Living has a wholesale or a retail account. If you want to order the cleanse as a retail member, you just follow that link and you just sign up as a retail member, and you can pick out the 5-day Nutritive Cleanse is what it's called, and you can order it at retail price. Otherwise, you can become a wholesale member, which is what most of us do. Young Living is a complete wellness company. Essential oils, therapeutic grade, are their #1 thing that they do. They are the world leaders in the industry, and they just do it beyond amazing. So research Seed to Seal. Look at seedtoseal.com to check that out. But they have amazing top quality supplements with natural ingredients, plus the power of therapeutic oils. They have body care, they have natural non-toxic cleaners that use the power of therapeutic essential oils. So you can join as a wholesale member, and they have several kits that you can join with. An oil kit, a Ningxia Red kit, a Thieves kit, even a Savvy makeup kit, which is a non-toxic, amazing mineral makeup. I just love it. So you can join and you get a kit, and then you have a wholesale membership. And what I love about Young Living is it's a no strings attached wholesale membership. So you don't have to sell. You can if you want, and you can make commissions and have an awesome business, but you don't have to, and you never have to order again. If you want to, you can, and you're going to get wholesale pricing, which is so great. And if you want to join, they have an awesome auto ship program, but that's completely optional. That has tons of perks and discount shipping and free products that you get and all of that, but that's optional. So it really is no strings attached. Kind of like a Costco membership, Sam's Club membership, where you pay a certain amount and then you have your wholesale, except with Young Living, you get an awesome kit with that price that you pay, so you got products right away to use. So you could get one of those kits. There is a basic kit that's also $45, and that's really reasonable, and then add the 5-day Nutritive Cleanse on there. Then if you ever want to buy more Ningxia Red, or you love the Digest and Cleanse, or you love the Balance Complete, you can order it again at wholesale. So if you use my link, I will send you some free gifts as well, which is something I do. We have an awesome team, and we have tons of support, recipes, like this group we just did was so cool to do it together as a group and be able to share our experiences and be a little vulnerable and have a little bit TMI of what's going on in our bodies as we're detoxing. So anyway, I hope that you'll try the 5-day cleanse. If you do, comment below and let me know your results. Comment and tell me when you order it, and so I can add you to our group and you can join in. Maybe we can get some other people to do it with you so you're not doing it alone. All right, guys, thanks. Bye.